In this video, we'll be covering how to add messages and images directly to checklist items. Here's how it works. On the web, we have our job pulled up. We'll open up our current phase, navigate to our checklists, and go ahead and edit this specific checklist. Each checklist item has an add message and upload image option. To add one, simply press add message, type in whatever you need to type, and press save. To upload an image, press the upload option, find your photo, and upload. How those would be seen is like this. View images. If there's more than one, you'll be able to scroll through. For messages, it will populate just like this. Let's switch over to the mobile app. On the mobile app, we're already in the checklist. You can see all of the images and messages we've already uploaded. To add a message, tap the chat icon, type in your message, and select done. To add a photo, press the camera icon, snap the photo, select the icon next to it, and press upload. And that is how you add messages and images on the web app and mobile app.